Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you the two dresses that I picked up from the Karen Millen x Lydia Millen summer collection. Now all of you I'm sure will know Lydia Millen. I have followed her for many years here on YouTube and Instagram. I'll definitely leave a link to her channel in the description box as well, and also a link to the dresses that I have chosen as well, so you can see the dresses obviously and check out Lydia's channel as well. She is such a fashion inspiration to me and her homewares are absolutely to die for as well. So I do want to mention that this video is definitely not sponsored in any way by Karen Millen or Lydia, so just to put this disclaimer there at the start, this is just my opinion and I really wanted to support Lydia. And you guys know I shop Karen Millen all the time on my channel. If you know me at all, you know I'm a big Karen Millen fan. When the summer collection was released, I was super excited. I can't even tell you. I posted about it on my Instagram account as well, just to let all of you guys know about the collection. It's so predominantly white, and you know white is my favorite color in summertime as well, so I was super excited when I saw all of the lovely white pieces. This time round I got the ivory and yellow dresses, so I'll show you the second dress just in a second, but this is the first dress, and the second dress is the same print as this dress but in a different dress obviously. I just couldn't decide between this dress or the other dress, and I really need your guys' help on this video as well. Do let me know what you think in the comments as well. Let's chat about the first dress first. I will insert pictures as well so you can see it on me a bit better. So the sleeves I'm obsessed with. Like, look at these sleeves. This is a moment. And they have lovely button detail here on the sleeve as well, which I absolutely love. The neckline is lovely and high. You guys know that I love a high neckline on my channel as well. And they have this button detail all the way down here. I'm not 100% sure on what the official name for this button closures are. It's very bridal, you know, you tend to see this on a wedding dress. I just love that neckline. The dresses are fully lined as well, but you can see here the sleeve is a little bit see-through, but I don't mind that. I actually think that's a nice feature of the dress. And this particular dress that I'm wearing now, I will insert the name on the video, and it has this belt closure as well. Obviously you can tie that in a bow or whatever way you want to tie that, and it's just above the knee length on my body, so I think that's a nice length for summer, and this would be just perfect for maybe if you're having a birthday party in the garden, you're going out for dinner with your friends for your birthday or anything like that. I don't think it's particularly casual. It is a little bit more on the dressy side just because of the neckline and the sleeves as well, and that I just think that it's just a little bit dressy. Like, I wouldn't be pairing this dress with a pair of runners. It would definitely be shoes for this dress. So do let me know what you think of this dress, and I'll show you the next dress as well, which is the same print as I mentioned. I don't know if you can see the print very well on camera. I hope that's coming across nice for you. But it's a yellow and it's a nice ivory color as well all over. It's just so pretty, and this dress is actually quite soft as well, so it's really nice. Guys, just look at this dress. This is so adorable and it's so me. So it's like a sweetheart neckline, and then it's an A-length skirt, real puffy skirt all the way down, and this one is also fully lined. I just love this on. It's just so pretty. Black borders here. What's this called? Black stencils? It's making it look like a bit of a corset, which I actually like. I think that's really unique to this dress. Without that, it would just look super, super girly, but I do think that black adds so much detail to the dress, which I love. So it's really, really nice in weight as well. It's not too heavy. For the summer, it's just really perfect. Obviously, it's super creased now because I just got it today and I just had to film this video. But yeah, I think I'm kind of more drawn towards this dress because it is my vibe, but I do want to go outside of my comfort zone as well. And I think maybe the short dress I might get a little bit more wear out of because it's a bit more wearable. Like, this is quite a showpiece, this dress. I wouldn't be just wearing this on any casual day. So I love it. Again, you might be able to see the print a little bit better on this one. Just so pretty, and again, it's lovely and soft. Lydia did an absolutely amazing job with this collection. This dress here comes in a nice cream and green colour as well. I'll insert a picture of that so you can see it. And it's exactly the same dress, just in a greeny colour. So that would be one to look at as well. I added this one to my basket first, but then I saw this one in the yellow as well. They had it recommended to me as well, and then I just had to try both. I just could not decide, and they're so different as well. Like, I'm not against keeping two dresses here, but do let me know what you think. Let me know which one you like the best on me, and you can head over to my Instagram account as well. I'll leave a link to that so you can check the dresses out. Sometimes I have pictures on my Instagram before the video gets to YouTube, so definitely check that out as well. If you enjoyed today's video, do give the video a big thumbs up. Again, well done to Lydia and well done to Karen Millen for this gorgeous collaboration. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.